So how was life like nje ukhula mfethu konkandla because phela konkandla isemakhaya and manje eThekwini we chasing different things
yabona. Yes, can you imagine ukuthi mangekhaya manje I'm like ngangisurvive kanjani. But you know kuya ngokujwayela as uhlala more. That's why ngihlala ngifika namhlanje ngihlale ngakusasa ngiyahamba because ayabo
ayivele phela impilo yabo sishintshe kakhulu yabo.
Actually it was nice because ngangekho exposed to this in lezinto zethu zokugcina technology and stuff. So it was just nje ukuthi uyavuka uye enkomeni uyadla wenza homework uyawasha something very simple ukuyibhola makuyibhola nibuka nonke ibhola you know. So akusinto ehectic ukuthi hey uyabo mhlambe social media poste namhlanje. I think ngangino bani kwakuse no mix it ngangino mix it
amcithi sawudlala yakho
sawudlala yakho umkiki yabo. So ngangekho le pressure ukuthi what should in nowadays when you wake up you're like what am I supposed to do so that umhlaba uzokwazi ukuthi I exist. So it was nice then.
Or even die for dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Let me do me now.
Oh sanibonani mapopaza amahle sengiphinde ngabuya futhi with another episode of Ina Upopile nihleli nolumkilo kazinyanga ke njengenjwayelo yabona nani niyazi ukuthi iqala lapha yabo subscribe kuqala click notification button yabo nje for more content ukuze niqhubeke nithola izinto eziningi. Namhlanje nginiphathele proud of mine lana from Durban DJ Worldwide. How are you my brother?
How's it bro?
Mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu nje mfethu for being part of the podcast. Kusibusiso kakhulu mfethu to have you here. Yabona nje sharing your life mfethu nathi nana babukeli yabo.
Can I tell you something good thing? Ngesikhathi ngithola invite I was so excited because akaze ngibeke podcast. Kumnandi ngikhuluma ku radio but now there's camera action. What am I going to say? But I'm so excited to be here.
Mfethu nami nje mfethu ngam grateful kakhulu yabo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nje sihlale sixoxe. Vele manje podcast is taking over kancane.
Hayi ngathi siyasala lapha kwa radio.
Na i-radio ngeke izifi don't die.
Ngoba sekho.
Kuphela kuzomela kube nama element nawo bawabhidlizayo yabo because I feel like i-radio ba build ama hall kakhulu yabona unlike ama podcast people are free to say whatever they want to say yabo ama limitations mancane kakhulu yabo.
That's true bro.
which is good so ke manje ke nje for umuntu ke ongakazi mhlambe nje ambone DJ Worldwide unga introduce uthi ubani again?
Well igama lami nguSiyabo ngakunene and then ke angase ngesiqamba ngokuthi ngu DJ Worldwide because my aim is to be well known in the whole world. Simple. And I think ngumsakazi oqala in KZN emhlabeni ukuthi aphumele bakho umuntu othi why you on TV as I'm pushing the passion, why you on radio pushing I'm doing this because I want to be famous. That's the standard.
Avele ekugcineni phela mfethu you manifest your life yabo yonke into mfethu must manifestation yabona.
So I'm from eNkandla la eThekwini ngifike ngokuzofuna amatoho so ngisuka eNkandla ngakhulula endaweni yase eHalamba eNkandla not far from former president Jacob Zuma. Not far actually ngihamba ngiyona Saudi khona if I like. Ngifundile khona primary and high school. Yes, then ngase ngiza la eThekwini ukuzofunda extra like ngizofunda further.
So how was life like nje ukhula mfethu konkandla because phela konkandla isemakhaya and manje eThekwini we chasing different things yabona.
Yes, can you imagine ukuthi mangekhaya manje I'm like ngangisurvive kanjani. But you know kuya ngokujwayela as uhlala more. That's why ngihlala ngifika namhlanje ngihlale ngakusasa ngiyahamba because ayabo
ayivele phela impilo yabo sishintshe kakhulu yabo.
Actually it was nice because ngangekho exposed to this in lezinto zethu zokugcina technology and stuff. So it was just nje ukuthi uyavuka uye enkomeni uyadla wenza homework uyawasha something very simple ukuyibhola makuyibhola nibuka nonke ibhola you know. So akusinto ehectic ukuthi hey uyabo mhlambe social media poste namhlanje. I think ngangino bani kwakuse no mix it ngangino mix it
amcithi sawudlala yakho
sawudlala yakho umkiki yabo. So ngeke le pressure ukuthi what should in nowadays when you wake up you're like what am I supposed to do so that umhlaba uzokwazi ukuthi I exist.
Yeah.
So it was nice then, but I can't survive now.
So manje ke back then ke nje sithi usakhula khona usasemncane beyikhona mhlawumbe inhlanhla of ukuthi ungenza lento oyenzayo manje noma mhlawumbe something egqame late.
So I remember ngangifunda primary ne. So ngangahlala noma wami, my mother was because my mother and father abashadanga, so I had to stay on my father's side. So what happened, my mother used to take care of me, like to make sure that I don't feel igap yokuthi my mother is not around. So she would buy me izibambo zengane, and then there's other time angithengela khona istereo, khumbula istereo sesemadlebeni.
Yeah.
So I was like, what is this? And then ngafaka emadlebeni ngalalela. I was popular ngangisafunda primary, ngangifunda grade.
Plus phela emakhava elimozoba nestereo se primary when we celebrate already.
So what like ngikhumula ukuthi ngokuthi ma break zonke izingane zize kumina zizongungu ukuthi you want to listen. I remember break ngaba ngo11 and then Lady D would be playing on radio 9 to 12 okozini. That was like, what's going on here? Kanjani lo mama lo akhuluma eradweni, because ingane lento le. Well, I would listen and then see if because sasifa kalula, and then my mother would buy another one. Angazi ukuthi wayiplantan, but I think wayibona ukuthi I love radio, because I remember the other time ngimvakashelile kwakungama holiday ka June. So wathenga manje radio ke le enkulu ke manje, then she went to Enkandla to buy my battery ukuthi phela ngilalele, and then ngayiqaqa mina radio, then want to see what's going on inside. Mangifica izintambo and stuff. So I think she saw ukuthi lo muntu lo uyathanda ukukhuluma eradio, but akazi kahle ukuthi uzokwenzani. Well, ngiqede primary then to high school. My high school uyabona ka grade 10, it's where you choose ama languages,
subject
and stuff. So I knew it's going to be useless to go on science. It's going to be useless, even whatever I choose, because I want to be a broadcaster. I want to be on showbiz, but I was like, let me choose for the sake of to have a matric and stuff. And then I passed my matric straight to Inter College to study radio broadcasting. So I knew from the beginning, from ngane, I definitely want to talk on radio, but I wanted to be there.
So there was anyone nje specific ke nje owathi ke uma usuqala usubona ukuthi okay, I want to be on radio, or inspire kakhulu yabo ukuthi uyiphesue ngempela lento yabo and make it your life.
It was not easy back then emakhaya, because now but they're not familiar with what's going on. If you are a celebrity or if you are on showbiz, yini kumele yenzakale le. Angakusho kanye then amajita angihleka ngathi ngifuna ukuba umsakazi, ngifuna ukukhuluma radio, kwathi that thing is not real. Who do you think you are?
So you need connection.
You see. So now ngangakusho kwakuthiwa esiklasini makuphansi ufuna ukuba yini, like I would choose anything. Ngifuna ukuba udokotela, ngakusasa ngifuna ukuba unesi, ngakusasa ngifuna ukuba uthisha. Lezi zinto lezo abantu abasho ngifuna ukuba iphoyisa yini.
Ungacekwa futhi ucekwa kuma usho lezo zinto.
Everyone wants to be iphoyisa uthisha nani. And then mangifikela eThekwini sengiqala la sengilalela kwamanye awuza kwethu, abanye sengisebenza nabo la asebe khona eradweni. I remember umuntu ongihlaba umxhwele was yena uLady D, because ngaqala from a high school, primary rather, kumlalela. And then I was introduced to other radio stations, because I didn't know ukuthi amanye ama radio stations does exist.
Sasazukhuzu
phela yes. And then mangifika I met abantu abafana no Victor Rose Jr., of which may he so rest in peace, usashona Archie Majola, of which yena wangenza ngempela ngangena kulomkhakha lo, but I will explain that later. Mangifika there's abantu abafana no Chili M, I think wayesebenza ku Cause FM, enze show kuthiwa Chillers. I used to love that show. I remember kwani ngine-feature ithude dakubonisa uthando, then he would send ama airtime kubantu, he would give abantu umsebenzi akukhulumele somewhere usuyaqasha. So I remember ngathi daddy mina ngifuna ukuba umsakazi, wathi fika la studio, can you imagine usuke enkandla kwazobe eseThekwini, then usuyile kuze, and I was like it's impossible, but I almost ngacishe because with ama savings wami ngabuthi okay ngafika eThekwini, but now sengiyabona ukuthi ngangizolala laphi nani, but kwakuuthando lwe radio lo ngidriver. So akekho umuntu okwahlala nami phansi wathi inhle lento yenzayo, because ngangisenamahloni futhi. I think I drove myself into this space. So that's why my celebrities, and I'm like I won't blame anyone, because I bought myself here, and if mangifuna ukuzikhipha ngizozikhipha mina.
Ngoba vele phela konke ekugcineni kukuwena, yabo kukuwena. Uma ujaha iphupho futhi, especially nje uma ukhula futhi akekho nanomuntu osifundisayo ngempela ukuthi how to dream, ukuthi ufuna ukuba umuntu onjani, yabo. Sonke suke sitshilo nje the standard thing, futhi nakhona kusuke ngakhona ukuthi kufanele uzuyithande leyo nto. So ukuthi imali, ngoba uma kuthiwa uba uthisha, so nakhona kwaziwa ukuthi uthisha unemali, yabo. Kuthiwa iba into ethini, imali esuke ijahwe kakhulu, kusengeyona ipassion nanokukubona wena ukuthi what type of a person are you. Yabo kuhlezi kulele kuwena isikhathi esiningi vele ukuthi uzibone wena ukuthi ubani.
Sure. And also lento ukuthi don't allow anyone to choose for you. Good, because like us as amaphoyisa, ngene poison. I think you need to follow your heart.
Ayi ngoba phela impilo i short.
Yeah, very
impilo is very short. Kuyihaba nje ukuthi size siyenze singazi ukuthi inde ngalendlela.
Yeah.
Kunabantu othola ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ufunani kodwa usafuna ukuqala ngapha, ufuna ukuqala ngapha.
Yeah.
Yabo bambalwa abantu that you find ukuthi they go straight for what they want, yabo.
Yeah.
Ambalwa kakhulu, mhlambe less than 10%, yabo.
10%,
of people abakwazi ngempela ukuthi umuntu ayijahe.
Yeah.
So manje eThekwini uma ufike ngamuphi unyaka la eThekwini?
Pass matric wami ngo-2012, 2013, then umamncane wami wayehlala eChartsworth udadewabo kama because ekhaya I'm not saying sasi rich but you know sasi comfortable. So you know for sure ukuthi mawuqeda isikole you go eThekwini uyozama amatoho. So umamncane wami wathi okay go pass matric because I think I was the only one I'm ngifuna ukuqhambisa lokho because yabo but I was the only one pass matric. Yeah, I was the only one pass matric ekhaya. So mama pass matric ekhaya then my mom umamncane wami was like okay mama because uhlala ekhaya was like I don't know ukuthi ngizokwenza njani. Uhambe enkandla uyoqhuba izinqola lapha and stuff. I was like, oh, not me. I want to be a broadcaster. But angangamtshela. Mamncane wami wathi okay ufuna because kwakukhulumeka nomamncane wami then uma wami.
Yeah.
So mamncane wami wathi okay come uzohlala nami la eChartsworth while uzama to get into the space you want to be. And then I went there Chatsworth. I stayed there for two years. Mangifika first year it was bad. I think ngangisurvive ngemali grant kama because abafowethu then angithumelela about 300 just to ukuthi ngisurvive. And then I remember umngane kama wayephunyelwe izimali I'm not sure where and then wangiqasha ngingikhola 70 rand per day or extend umuzi wakhe so I had to kubekwa i-blocks nestina mina ngangixofa usimende ngilanda istina yabo those basic things because angikwazi ukubeka i-brick so angikhola 70 rand ngosuku. Leyo mali yona mali engafunda ngenza ngayo radio broadcasting and then jiggy in the mix of things khona lapho ngazalisa ngakhulelisa you know kwaphithize and then I saw my dream fade in front of me. I was like what's going on now but ngoba ngangiphokophele ngazi ukuthi ngifuna ukwenzani and then I ended up mangiqeda ukufunda isikole then Highway Radio took me to do
Highway Radio which one is ngiyayibona because ngeke ngayibona in ICC Highway Radio ikuphi la eThekwini
iseSangro House ko Smith
lapha ko Fellas
yes hayi mangabe ngifike highway ngitsho mina ngisola umsebenzi kanti cha uzothola stipend because it's going to be 6 months in self training. I don't know ukuthi bangithola kanjani but I think in Tech College nabo basebenza. I was so excited shiya phansi usimende because ngangisaqhubeka phela because why extend I think baphuma imali enkulu lapha kuloyasis but ke angisekho lapho and then I wanted to move to town CBD nami sengiyabona impilo yaseThekwini yashintsha phela nami because ngiyabona ukuthi ujalo mangabe mhlawumbe kune event la or kuna something mina I'm going to a chat njalo because amateksi aphela ngo7 yabo nje sengiyabona ukuthi akusayimina lo ngo-June ngamuva ngahlala nomunye umngani wami wase Richards Bay ukubona mhlawumbe umuntu akwazi ukuhlale naye then nizoba nokungazwani and then I remember there is other time amuva engangijelanga then I had to pay rent yonke
usumtablisha nane yakhe
nge-stipend lese engizilokhuzayo then I remember I went to Mayville ngahlala khona komnye umngani wami naye ngabona ukuthi this is not me until ngathola igig eNanda FM because wasuphela 6 months kwa December ngayikhaya mangibuye ekhaya ngekho kamandla ngobuya ngoJanuary nga-apply luckily uVictor Rose Junior lwade ngisho ngayo may so rest in peace athi angizokwenza i-traffic. Here's a funny story. Akukho sweet everything. Ngifika Monday ngaqala ngihlala eNanda nakhona futhi ngihlala komnye umngane wami. I've been through a lot. Sasala endlini yodaka if I'm not mistaken eNanda eMount. It was nice. I didn't mind because I wanted to get into eNanda FM. Monday ngiqale because I was doing a traffic with breakfast show. Monday ngiqale I was cool. Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday. Ngaqala ngasho I think ngafunda umugqa wodwa I just read one line and then something came eviliyamala but then kwablock I was trying to talk and then ngezwe umsakazi wayengale he played jingle waye kuma adverts ngahlala ngithi lapho sazobuya futhi angiqama phansi kwi-traffic emva lapho wasuka lapho wayicofela ifoni yakhe and then emva lapho mangifika ngale e-production ngifika amajita nabanye ababekhona bangibuka phansi ubona ukuthi bangidaba kubona abantu bekudaba ngathi ish I'm sorry because kwase kushaya u9 siphele breakfast ngithatha into zami ngihambe mangifika endlini because ngangifake ifoni yami ephakathi mangifika endlini ngifica ngohehebula ngale message ukuthi thank you for trying but don't call us we will call you we were giving you a try ayibo sengisukile nga sacrifice I did everything ukuthi ngifike lapha but I have to go back to basic ngibuyele phansi ngibuyele Chatsworth futhi manje ke ngahlala khona I used to be depressed but ngabona ukuthi depressed now usuphelele umsebenzi angisenzi lutho I think ngathola umsebenzi kuba security lama security lawa angaregistiwe where you just babe ngihola 500 mapethanda
plus baningi ke la eThekwini yabona wakaregister lo kuthiwa nje umuntu ozohlala
ozohlala nje ngisebenza night shift ngikuthiwa ngine night shift allowance mase kuphela inyanga nginezo 700 but because ngangicontribute endlini I was fine ayi ngizincenge na ku highway I wanted to come back but kwathiwa hayi into esoneza yona you so talented ngiyasho ngithi talented but hayi kube nzima ngiapply online. I remember ngabona i-advert yaseNando's ukuthi bafuna abantu nga-apply khona ku Facebook ayi ngihlale nakhona then kwadlula iviki then emva lapho ngathola u-031 kwathiwa hayi igama lomngumusa tomorrow come uphethe ibhwele emnyama nesikibe semnyama uyaqala eNando's Chini ngwangcine ngi-apply online. How did I get here? Yimlo kwathiwa kusetown ngifuna indawo khona etown sengihamba ngithola ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukusuka eNando's ngiphuma u9 ebusuku then ngiza lekhoze Chatsworth athi ngcono phela hamba ke ngihamba ngithola umngane wami ngahlala kuyena ngathi ngifike eThekwini ngalahlelwa ifoni but at least ngase ngiyazi eNando's ngiyakuyona ngasebenza ngasenza kungenzima ngisaqala but I'm not saying I'm not a nice person but I didn't we went into kuthiwa ama customer always right. I mean namanje singabekana mina ayikho leyo nto leyo.
Uphikisana nawo ama customer.
Hayibo I think ngihamba nginama warning amangaka. Then the second year cause ngasebenza 2 years the second year bangenza ucash. And then it was chilled because you have to smile. I like to smile and then when about man make sure ukuthi imali yakhe I showed and then you show my price and stuff. It was very easy. Then it's where I started impilo yami yaqala kuyapick up ngathola abo radio duty. Mangifike radio duty ngabona ukuthi okay it's a campus radio bangiqasha but they take abantu bangaphathi abafuna duty
basekhona kodwa bona namanje
I think they gonna come back this year but after thina nje they went off air yeah
because ngiyabona ukuthi kuma university manje MUT ngathi iyona elidala nge-radio because iyona
sihle futhi yes hayi mangabe ngifika e-radio duty hayi ngihlala futhi I think ngahlala 2 years nakhona while ngisenze eNando's ngangiphuma ngo6 eNando's ngiphume ngiyongena u7 to 9 ishow yami yokuqala ngizothiwa i-classic lounge where I was playing ingoma zakudala nakhona ngingena nje ngafika ngo-producer ngifakwe I think yamazi makatha ngithini lo kuma
ngiyambona umbana umyeza
yes umakhelwana wami lo so wayenza journalism yena and then wayesenza khona efunda indaba nawe agcina thola show kwakuthiwa i-open house iyayingena u3 to 5 ilokhuzana i-drive yakhe wathi hayi boza kuyekufanele ukuproducer lapha na classic lounge mangifika day 1 ngiproduce and then into abayenza abayona ukuthi mangabe ngizoqala ishow bavula imic yami bese bethi sino producer wethu la ngangabe na uDJ Worldwide kahle kahle usiya awusitshela sobe sinani ku show I mean ngivele ngenza ngathi ngiyasakaza kanti umphathi ulalele I think waphela iviki elilodwa ngiproducer because engena Monday to Thursday and then next week balova bonke babe bawu2 back host ngihleli njalo ngilinda ama presenters wami kusafike emoyeni and then umphathi wavala nginoze windini yabo yini le studio qoqoqo wasakhe I-show must go on baba ngene ngakhini ngiseke ngakuza ukukhuluma on air so just do the show I went there I didn't know what to say but obviously content yenziwe mina
but yabona opportunity ngampela lucky when opportunity meets preparation ngoba athi ongekho ready wavela futhi uchoke phambi kwemic
I did the thing that made things super wangilalela because why say drive esendlini and then he just called me after the thingy the show was like that show is yours moving forward laba mabebuya batshela ukuthi ngiyabadinga office lami I don't know ukuthi bagcina basesave show but the show was mine hayi ngihlale ngibona ukuthi okay this is online campus ngidila nezingane and then I went on Facebook I was like I go for 5 Achimajolo was doing the big weekend breakfast show with my FM ngam inbox ngathi can I be your producer nakhona ngifuna inxeba longena he was like sure please come I went there bali scripts ngathi 19 ngifika nayo he was so excited ngam producer I think it was 6 months ngo 2016 or something then I contract yakhe yaphela then we came back to Durban Youth Radio he took programs manager position I did 7 to 10 ebizwa kuthiwa the weekend live I did that ngahlala I'm not sure how many years and then uLucky Dlamini from Vibe FM watshela yena uArch wathi hayibo kunensizwa la isenza ngama Saturdays ke bengilalela ngazi ngiyapi bengingathanda because ngishoda ngabasa kuzokwenza i-drive Arch wathi lalela wena hamba uyolokuza khani uzohamba uyokhosini cause ungasenkandla ngiyabona ukuthi umkhaya uyathanda ukhosi hayi ngempela ngifike ngo2010 ngafika sakubamba ngoDecember because bavala basakaza ngifika sakubamba and then ngo April makushintsha inhlelo okay kwathi ngoDecember babuya ngoJanuary 15 ngathola igap ngihleli ngasenza nix ke manje ke angisenza nix ngisasebenza Nando's sengihleli but ngisarent ngiyahasilisha nje ukuthi ngithola irent ngithola ukudla angazi nami ukuthi ngangisurvive kanjani but kwakwenzeka
hey kuyasurvive khona mfethu
hayi ngiqaleke ngoApril ke elokhuzeni eVibe FM ngenza 12 to 3 because kwi-driver ngazi ngathi upresident wayekhona wathi angiphumi la angisuki la kwathiwa it's fine asifuna ukulwa nawe okay kwathiwa wena 12 to 3 I was fine ngawusebenza for 2 years 2020 2021 ngaqeda ngathi no I'm tired I want to do manje because nakhona phela they won't afford me rent and I was like I want to do one show with this money enginikeza yona because ngifuna ukwenza izinto eceleni kwathiwa cool so now I'm doing Fridays 3 to 6 ibizwa kuthiwa entertainment summit I welcome weekend I interview people if you are an artist uyadweba uma uyiciko nje that's your show yeah
ngoba phela amaciko vele yiwasiphakamisa kwathina vele iwona nanabantu esikhuluma nabo
yes manje if you do a podcast you want to lokuzana it's your show
hayi ngoba phela nathi sisafuna nanokuthi nathi sike sifike nakhona kuma radio because kubalekile vele to mobilize every space because I following iqhamuka lapha yabona especially nanento enama student I feel like into enama student ine following
eningi ingane izenzo kuzogcina lezo TikTok obana so they just put you on the spot
plus noma umuntu esehamba ufika introduce to a new market because evarsity uma ufica abantu aba all over South Africa kodwa bafica be10 bendawo mase behamba beye emakhaya wonke umuntu uzofika khulume nangawe nangakubo so that's more following yabona for everyone kahle yabona
yeah it's a very nice space because now we're living under actually football president kuzoba amaXhosa bese kuzoba social media
wabeka phezulu kanje
kuthiwa before you feel God qala emaXhoseni akumina ngishilo
uqala wasabe eqala
yeah that's how they say it
akodwa phela uyabazi vele abaqhela ikaka labo bazi umqhela ikaka nje ukenza yonke
hayibo
kodwa sinonke singafikanga lapha ekutheni umqhela ikaka yabo mase uthenje umuntu omXhosa nje wangiqhela ikaka sesekuzoshuba kakhulu sesekuzoshuba kakhulu so manje ivibe ke yona ke ufika kanjani kuyona iVibe FM because ngingakubona ukuthi you've worked na kuyona iVibe FM
I think it's been 5 years ngikhona as I mentioned earlier ukuthi Alex sorry Alex Achimajola was my programs manager at Durban News Radio then what Aibo Naiva FM phone go there Yozama because you've been here for like I think it was 3 years if I'm not mistaken and Bazone is prime time there because ngahlala ku 7 to 10 I think since forever then I went there ngo 2020 then ngaqala ke ngasebenza khona ke elokhuzeni of which I'm still fine
yeah because mina I think that was the first time we met because ngicabanga the first time sihlangana kako veg lapha eFellers Group because ngesikhathi seCovid lapha besihleli kakhulu no veg lapha ngangifika no Buddha Bright mina ngangifika no Buddha Bright because yena ngangihlangane naye la nami ngidayisa la stradini yabo
actually eFellers you know after ngiyeke elokhuzana eNando's same archie I think angihlala ku St George's and then DJ Veg was like oh yazi ngenza radio nami yakungisize phela lapha eDYR ukuthi ama student nami mayiqeda ukufunda bese ezazowenza ama practicals I was like I actually can do that job ubani ukufundisela abafundi he's like okay ukhona but on and off I was like ngisho kunezi 500 bra because I wanted to survive ngangasena nix so ngaqala eFellers so eFellers yangithwala since today because I'm still there it's one of the organizations engithi ngisho kuthiwa ngikuphi angeke ngize ngiba drop I think mhlawumbe ngabanikeza inotice yonyaka wonke ukuthi next year ngibuyi because ungithwalile since kungena nix nga rent because I was sharing I think ngangihlala kunama video CC live I was sharing so ngangibani ukuyabona usenze eThekwini ube nemali rent niyokudla makuthiwa kufuna ke enye into nje
dololo hey lazi kuyinkinga mfethu uthi uyiphanta uthi awuna ngisho 5 rand kuyenzeka yabo uthi uyiphanta mfethu akho 5 rand baze bakubuze nabo kanti lento oyiphantayo yini lento oyiphantayo ifika nini yona
hayibo lapha ekhaya kwazi ukuthi phela uyahlala because kube uyahlupheka ngabe usubuyile bazibuza ukuthi wenzani eThekwini lo because asikaze sibone ngisho 5 rand wakhe
akuphela ukubuyela emuva it's not an option
no it's not an option
into nje engafingishe ekhanda yabona nje kushizilo kanjani ngamanje umuntu alale epipini yabo kubuyela emuva it's not an option because manje uzowafeza nini amaphupho mawukuthi manje you going back shoot wena uthi uzowafeza nini
I think ukubuyela ekhaya it's where you're going to start afresh and mawuqala afresh you starting from because yabona ingane kade sikhuluma ngendawo ngane uzifikile I'm DJ Worldwide today I need to stay on this position because if ngeke ngamove one beat kune-2K ngizongena on my
Ayivulazike.
and then if I want to come back no one is gonna recognize me so Sekombo, you are the legendary DJ Bull. We salute you but bye we have it now you see
yeah ngoba phela competition tight and
It's very
especially
tight.
talent yabona njengana nezinto njengo TikTok la eSouth Africa
Not
seyivele zaphendula yonke into manje yabona
I'm saying mina khukuluza nobhoko lwakhe ku TikTok zithi zikhona now makwenza ama challenge be there so that you're going to be relevant because isikhathi esiphika kusona nje namanje esenze ukuzogcina
ngaphela thina vele sikhule thina iyodwa indlela ukuthi ungakuveza italent lakho ufuna ukuzube lapho exactly yabo manje sekunomuntu ovele ayisakazele ko TikTok uthi wezwa sekuthiwa hawu siyabizwa ku radio yabo kanti edlalela emakhaya nje igame manje ishintshe kakhulu with the technology yabo i-technology yenza izinto ziya easier futhi za difficult at the same time
especially those who want to be in this space kuba ku radio okay it's fine go and enroll and stuff but wala into engizwile actually ngayizwa ngomakhosi cause bathi in nowadays okay it's fine ungangimelela i-demo yakho but now we scout it's more like auditions so we scout on what wangitshela abasakaza bathola lo ngamthola ku Instagram lo ngamthola ku TikTok baze basebenza like so actually le ndaba yokusenda ama demo uyabona sekuba umhlobo wakudala ukuthi hambe uyobuka studio record demo cha uyisende because I think mina engayenza sense vele kwayona le nto le because uyakumuntu akwenzela i-demo bese kwenza kahle angathi nenzana kufaka auto tune lapha uma ufika lapha you horrible so that's why mina from the beginning I never angaze ngiye studio mina ngiyo record i-demo ngithi okay record me now I take my phone if I have music I play music mawungekho awukho I record myself raw talent this is me
ngoba vele yiyo into efunakalayo manje yabo because ivoice yakho mayisishintshiwe izongashintshi phela
mayisikwima kuthiwa ubalo who the hell is
yabo and so sithi yakhuluma umuntu obesilalela demo yakho usuyakhuluma sikuzwa ukuthi wena lo besibuzwa kwi demo
yabo yayize ngisho yeah
and seyiqalile ke inkinga lapho ke seziningi ke lapho yabo so ke manje ke kusona and because ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu vele okade haslisha ke so manje ke usuku i-radio ke manje kusona ispace nje se-radio imaphi lapha ama-challenges ja big yabo ongathi ufaceane nawo and wa-overcome kanjani lawo ma-challenges
well again to those who want to touch base kulesi space ngekusona community radio ayinamali you need to make like you need to brand yourself in a way ukuthi you generate money and it's not easy to do that in your school on social media and stuff so community radio inama although bekunikeza lokho phela ukuthi urent survive uzume around but you're not gonna be like umuntu osebenza kwegagas nakukhozi you're gonna be nje just there
abantu vele abashaya ama community lento zana ama commercial radio
so I think you need to build your brand of which is not easy to kwenza lokho you need to work hard every day challenges that I faced is yona imali and also when you're there on air you're doing 12 to 3 I think angazi ngimiswe kangaka kuthiwa hey baba siyifuna le show yakho it's a competition it's that's why they say if you do a show today make sure that you do your show isn't like it's your last show because sibaning we are on the line we want your show 12 to 3 I'm doing it right now I know for sure ukuthi there are 100 people abafuna ukuthi benze le show so those are the challenges you need to be up at your game you need to up your game rather it's your A game and also there is umlaleli Jozo ke nje angene yakhuluma enye into ongayithandi but funny part abanye bazoqamba igama luckily mina bebesanqambe kahle I came as uTJ Worldwide bengibiza ngendumandumane bangibize ngo DJ Worldwide angazi ubani khona waqhama ukuthi ngumsakazo wensuku zokugcina because they think I'm cheesy okay they think I'm a cheese boy so ngisafike vibe FM I had this co-host so wasemakhaya nami wasemakhaya I think angazi kwenzakalani so mina ngeke uzusho ukuthi ngikholela emakhaya so this hleza throw those Zulu words kusho ukuthi ngiyakwazi bese ayi nani bafana beyinsuku zokugcina niyayazi lento like abafana bo TikTok yabo ngisheshe bafana bo TikTok yabo so abalali baze bagcina sebesho ukuthi hayi abasakazi beyinsuku zokugcina leli gama lasala kumina ngazi like this is nice umsakazo wensuku zokugcina that's me why I wanted to say that umuntu mangibuza ukuthi why are you calling yourself umsakazo wensuku zokugcina I know for sure ukuthi abalaleli bangiqamba but leli gama lisho likhulu kumina because I want to do radio in a different way can't do shoot ama podcast they just say anything so insuku zokugcina let's be open do you want us to talk about sex
yeah ngasho ukuthi ayivala lavula la hayi yababhora abantu yodwa
do you want me to ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ngi-MK I want to tell people that so I want insuku zokugcina zibe kanjalo because I feel like the world is about to end and we are the last man standing.
Yeah, nanokuthi vele manje I feel like awusakwazi ukufihla manje yabo, everything has to be out there because kulula nanokuthi nawe uluze i-support from your people because iyona into abantu abangasayifuni manje ukuthi uluze i-support from your people, and the moment uqala abantu batshela into e-wrong yabo, ingane ngeke usathi qhamuke ebhanoyini manje yabo.
Yeah, actually they know. Wow, labo. They know ukuthi ngani qhamuka. I remember ingane yami mayisuthi usually ukuthi kunengane la. So thina besingayazi lento le.
Thina sasiyikholwa thina ukuthi ayingaphela uqhamuke ebhanoyini yabo. Sithi noma silibona lidlula sithi awusenzoshiya ingane yabo. Kanti lutho.
That was the case. How now ukhohlwa ke siyafihla.
So manje uventure kanjani ke manje ke to DJing also while umsakazi, because I saw ukuthi you do a lot of things lapha. Mhlawumbe nje masingake sithi ukuyi highlight nje kwazona sezizonke lezi zinto that you do.
Okay. The showbiz space. I feel like you should do everything. Uba umsakazi sometimes, okay, people abakwazi, they see you behind the mic, abakuboni, abanye mhlawumbe sothi voice akubayithanda kanti umumbi. So now ngifuna ukubonakala, you know, maybe one day nama ngizoba ne podcast, but to be a DJ because I love music, I love international and local music. So I wanted to ukuthi ngize express because I think into engenza futhi ukuthi ngithanda radio, it's between the music nama jingles and then nomsakazi uzothini on that space. So now music to DJ angihlanze kamnandi, it's my passion, I love it to be a DJ nanokuthi ngiyathanda ukubuka futhi. So I love DJing, and also I work with local artist. Angithanda abantu abakhulu, abantu abasaziwayo. Kunabantu lapho uthola ukuthi angikwazi ukufinyelela ku radio. Even now community radio, I don't know how to submit my music. I don't know how to get an interview. So I'm the bridge between those people. Because okay, I'm here because ngiyabazi abantu bakwinanda FM, ngiyabazi kwintozo FM. So I'm going to make sure that your music get there. But what you need to do, I'm coaching you. Do this 2 and 3 and 4 because this is what kufunakalayo. And also I'm an artist angikwazi when interview, I coach you. If umsakazi ethi no one word answer, you need to answer malukuzana into kanjalo. DJing, I'm busy on TikTok. I have this, I'm not sure, is it a vlog where I say allow Zedzi to plug you. They said I'm Zedzi because of this injeb. So they used to call me Udedi when I was like, I'm Zedzi. So I remember there is a video of mine, abantu abaningi ababengazi uyayazi inhlaba inkalana. I started I was telling people ukuthi iyasiza uma uneyilondo uneyinduna ithi uyayigcoba noma uyifake emanzini iphuze.
Sebenze into eningi.
So abantu abaningi beyinsuku zokugcina, they didn't understand that ukuthi yini yona le ufuna ukusibulala. So ziningi izinto abantu abangazazi nanokuthi you need to drink hot water. So I do that on TikTok and also bese ngiposta kuwonke ama socials wami. And then also I don't know, it's strange this year ngisengiqala nje I find out ukuthi I'm nominated 2 times Kumamzansi Community Awards. I don't know what I did.
That's good, bro.
Yeah,
That's good.
thank you. I don't know what I did, but you know, yeah. So I'm nominated as the best male presenter and also as a social media handler. Shooting social media. I don't know what does that mean, but do vote because I think I'm good on social media. It's my vlog and stuff.
Plus, I'm a vlog now. I am these days.
But
these days, you can do that. You can do digital. You always to record at the same time. And I'm part of more good nana abantu. We include nana abantu. Yeah, they love it. They love it.
It's simple. You just wake up in the morning, take your phone. Done. Yeah. And also I remember this was funny. I was talking about because the car in Kule. So on my vlog I was talking about in our days inyama yembuzi imnandi ngingakhula ngayithanda because mabe
ibeyimbi kodwa ibeyimbi
uyangasebenzinika imbuzi manje. So I'm like yabo lezi imbuzi zeinsuku zokugcina now isimnandi imbuzi, like I don't know ukuthi bayenzeni imbuzi. Now I was plugging people ukuthi there is no need ukuthi uhambe uzotshotsha because ngakhola kuthiwa imbuzi yantshontsha kuthi hamba amabhusha la hamba uzothola amabhusha akudingi ukuthi uzuyintshontsha imbuzi because kudala zayintshontsha imbuzi and ekhaya zikhona imbuzi. I'm like eish like dlamini. Yeah,
ay plus phela ukuthi vele imfuyo isebiwa namanje ke futhi emakhaya phela ilapho i-challenge manje ukuthi abantu buka nje abantu ababanjwa even na ku social media manje uthi umuntu ubanjwe bese beyihlinze ngisho kuyihlinze ezinye yabo nje
because babona ibusiness
belele business eselisilimaze kakhulu futhi yabo business liyas-celebrate futhi liyasilimaza at the same time because more ubheka siyaphucuka ngalo yabo kodwa futhi we are becoming more evil futhi futhi ngalo yabo lo ne-business because ziningi izinto that we do manje in the name of business yabo ingakho usufica ngisho abantu beyothwala buka nje ukuthwala ukuthi bonke umuntu manje sekuneyigubhu yonke indawo manje yabo
Singayathwala abantu.
Akusekho la ukayifici khona igubhu kuphela seyihlukile ukuthi oyezalazi kanje ezalazi kanje kodwa nje yonke indawo manje
senesigubhu sakho umuzi nesigubhu sawo manje
yabo and wonke umuntu ubheka ukukhula yabo ubheka ukukhula mina ngakho ngithanda nokusebenzisana nabantu laba uthola ukuthi abakafiki ku ekutheni seba ama celebrity because yibona abantu abasha yabo even ngisho ama lentozana ama commercial radio uyababona ukuthi nabibona abantu abazama ukusondeza kubona because ama celebrity I feel like ayiseke into esingakhulunywa ngabo everything is out there kubona so into esitrenda kakhulu uma ukhuluma ngabo uma ubabhidlisa yabo uma ukuthi ukhuluma into wrong ngabo yabo kanti labantu abasane potential yokuthi they can still be celebrities for the next 10 years for the next 15 years yibo abantu njengamanje abayinyama yabo
funny story izolo nginbox omunye umuntu because vele I'm open on my DMs but if uzokhuluma into ene sense omunye umuntu uthi yazi bra mina kade ngakwazi since usese DYR but nginale tendency or lo mqondo ukuthi if nje kwaba kwi showbiz uyasitshela I thought you were now and with your attitude I was like uyazi bra I'm a free spirit guy
yeah
talk to me anytime yeah
hayi ngoba phela kubalekile ukuba accessible yabo because yibo futhi nabantu abakudumisa uma ubheka manje even yonke into that we do isibheka kuyona social media boy following yakho ku social media isikufaka endaweni eningi kakhulu because manje the moment ngiqala ngibona wena ngizongena ku Facebook ngene ku Instagram ngene ku TikTok ngiyacheck following yakho ukuthi yabo uma ukuthi ngiyayibona ukuthi ikhona same time igig sekuyeyakho ingakho sekungazi ukuthi manje ngingena ama influencers kwezenye izinto more than abantu ekuthiwa bane talent yabo it's because lokho ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna umuntu one following uma ngizokuletha ku show nami mhlawumbe ngifuna upresent i show ngizoyibheka ifollowing yakho ukuthi okay lo muntu mayikwa present yabo leyo nto iyacounta leyo nto and kuyasiza ukuthi ikhulise yabo ukuthi ikhulise ukuthi ke manje ngoba phela ispace se show busy sinento zazo futhi I feel like sinama demon futhi lezi zinto cause ama challenges akulidela to depression and anxiety maningi kakhulu yabo so wena uma uyithola kuleso space how do you remove yourself kusona leso space
I think one thing for sure I always say this I'm so happy ukuthi ngakhulela endaweni yasemakhaya when ma kuthiwa une depression ekhaya kuthiwa mhlabene ngesick so I'm not saying I don't believe eyintweni zama depression yabona
yeah
but I think you need to come back to yourself if into ingalungi for example ngaba ngisho ukuthi ngabuyela ka 3 ekhaya ngikungalungi I think you need to come back to yourself ukuthi okay I'm failing here and then what I think lento ukuyifaka emahlombe ukuthi abantu bayabukile abantu they always talk people they will always say something about
bayabuka bona kodwa they don't care
yes so when if you're going to be depressed because you failed here and it's fine come back to yourself talk to yourself ayinto ebaleke njengokuhlala nawe phansi ube wedwa uthathe isicamelo ulalubheke phezulu and think the next move do you know ukuthi if you have a free mind you find you think uphuza amanzi abandayo u relax ideas they come don't focus kakhulu ukuthi I'm a failure just think ukuthi what's the next move from here now ngiwileke manje it's fine ngithe ngidlala ibhanoyi balithatha 3000 bazobuyisa ngeke awubuyisa ngaxoshwa ke emsebenzini because ngizwa no 2 no 3 they won't take me back now it's my time to work on this and then ngibuye with the full force
yes ngoba phela vele kumele kubuye egcineni amandla wapheli yabo kunalokho the more makuvaleka lo mnyango isuka ikhona mhlawumbe eminye u3 evulekile yabo so kuwena ukuthi can you identify in leyo mnyango ukuthi yipi
nanokukhuluma ke futhi have not friends have one person that you trust umuntu wazi kahle mhlawumbe ukuthi if ngixoxela le ndaba le ngayizwa lapha ya uyena ungahambi lokufafaza indaba because ikhona ukuphinde ukudepress futhi
hey ngoba abangane mfethu abangane
have this one person just one person owazi ukuthi okay ngisho ebusuku ukuthi lalela ngicela ukubhoboka ke manje I want to say something to you because now 1 2 and 3 umuntu ozokwazi nani ukuthi athi woza la I'm those assumption prosa because that's you now you are escaping to these problems. You're not actually dealing with them.
Kanti phela ukuphuza uphuzela ukujabula not yama problems.
Yes. And it's going to call out hey you that's an escape. It's fine for just have one glass of something. But I wish when every week in and week out we are scalela. Have this one friend also come nayo over a glass of something of course, but uzozo maqeda ukuthi hey because now uzotshela ukuthi hey because sometimes abantu bayinaka ukuthi when you have a problem ukuthi you don't even have your money rent kunomuntu osela le pipe for years because now kunomuntu ojabulela wena ukuthi wow was right thola lapha una ngishona nemali yokwenzana
now uyayifosela
yeah so ungalokho ukuthi hey mina inkinga zami izuwest komuntu owest onenkinga ewest edlula eyakho all you need to do ukuthi sit down with your problem udlalela ngemdala so now let me try this way hlala la talk to you. It's very important to talk to yourself, bro. Very important.
Ngoba phela that's how ngane ngakho ngisho iprayer nje ubona abantu abangaka bephakamisa into yeprayer. Esomthethe iprayer usuku ungakhulumi no God, usuku ukhuluma nawe most of the time. That's why uma ukhuleka wena umuntu osuke usukuyifaka lento ukuthi okay actually I need to do this, I need to do this. Abantu they think ukuthi usuku ukhuluma noNkulunkulu yabo. Ingoba ukukhuluma nawe nje wena uzozidriver vele yabo.
Yes.
Because kwala ukhona manje it's because you've driven yourself consciously or unconsciously yabo kodwa yonke into that you've been doing has been building you up ukuthi uzufike to where you are njengamanje yabo.
That's true.
That's why it's always good ukuthi uthathe responsibility yabo for everything eyenzakalayo good or bad yabo because ekugcineni ubile nesandla yabo ingakho ukukhala ngeke vele kuzokusiza ukuthi uzothi yabheda
akusizi futhi
akusizi kunalokho ukugcina usukhala ngempela yabo usubone ngazuthi wonke umuntu is against wena yabo
mina ngicina usokuba normal wena ukuthi uyakhala hayi mina ngiyakhala
mina ke le yabangani ayikwayona ngathi siyangiphuma kwayona because I used to have so many friends yabo especially when I was starting a business because mina ngiqala ibusiness aliqala nje sihlohlene uyabo iyona into esifake ebusinessini ukuthi vele sasihlohlene ukuthi yazi futhi lento we can do this yabo sithi noma silalela ama motivation silalela abantu speaking about business sithi hey we can do it and then sonke saqala nathi doing into eyodwa at that time we were pushing it deep house stage in South Africa ikhona nje on YouTube I think nama esakhona ipages as much as sesahlukana nathi singasa lirani kangako yabo sasirana sidayisa ikipa ngapha doing so many things and uyazi uma kufika imali kufika izinto eziningi ukuthi ngiyaqala wonke umuntu ayele lapha sasiba 6 or 7 yabo sasiba ningi ngalendlela sasino DJ nangaphakathi abantu abaperformayo so si host ama event senza yonke into kodwa uhamba ubona ukuthi hayi i-friendship iyaphela uma sekune business yabo iyaphela wonke umuntu umbone yale and then you end up losing friends uyithola usuwedwa
true that's true
uyithola usuwedwa manje and uma usuwedwa sekumele unavigate futhi impilo ukuthi how to move from here yabo because abanye sebayeka ngisho ukuyeka abanye bagcina sebe apply bethola imisebenzi yabo
uzophulunga ngala business
uzophushana umuntu ibusiness siya plan ukuthi next year sifuna ukwenza lokho yena apply ngaphamba ama interview then mase sekumele ube lapha akasekho usume wedwa yabo so you learn to depend on yourself yabo ngayo yonke so ke manje ngoba ngiyathanda ukuthi futhi nalento nje kube into fethu that esi creator futhi manje i South African dream because I feel like thina it's not properly defined yabo ukuthi i South African dream yini in this 20th century lesiphila kuyona yabo siyawazi ama dream o Europe o America yonke into because bona they are so clear ngayo kwena nje ungathi yini South African dream kulesikhathi lesesiphila kusona manje.
I always say this when you wake up in the morning whatever you do even if you talk kangakanani you contribute kumnotho or si chain bakithi it's more like ikona mangabe kwakhiwe indlu omiphosa 16 omixobisemende omiphosa 16 kuze gcina indlu siphuma siyakhela so whatever you do we are the building block of making this world making this country to be a better place whatever you do it's either you're promoting something you're selling something you do as we are here we are part of one of those indlu mawu yakhe ispikidi senze umkhobhati sincane so whatever you do okuncane we building iSouth Africa lesifuna ukuhlala kuyona ukuthi nathi ulusha sikwazi ukuba neaccess ukuthi singene ezintweni mhlawumbe uma ufuna ukuxhasa about ama business we're studying this une podcast yakho njengamanje you want to be there, you want to now ukuthi ube busy around people. That's why mangabe ngilele mina usuku lonke makuthiwa ngikhathele ngiyayithi okay it's fine ngiyazizwa ngikhathele but I was not a part of a chain today of building this economy or whatever in South Africa as a whole. That's why mina ngingabelieve ekutheni okay it's fine ayazirule ama political parties but now as individual actually they need you to vote for them so that ubabeke lapha. But now while you there down there work on yourself, you can use them but work on yourself to build this world as a better place.
Yawona vele kufuneka ama politician afike se-eda. Ngabe ukuthi wena ukuze umove udependele kona because should ngeke uze umove.
Ngeke uze umove. Yes.
Uyabazi lawana futhi should uyomove manje mabesakhankasa besafuna ukuvotelwa ngoba vele manje kusuke isabathembisa ngazibethembisa ngaphela ukuthi hayi yabo manje uyasebenza ubani kodwa after sebevotile sesivotile nathi senza yonke into basazonyamalala baphinde babuye futhi and it's the same thing yabo i-chain ifanayo. Kodwa there are people who are making it. Sesingabe siqamba manga masithi abekho abantu abaphumelelayo.
For example awukwazi ukuthi une business idea and then bese uthi uyangixoxela ukuthi okay ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi no 1 no 2 no 3 awunayo nane proposal ukuthi how are you going to let's just say ufuna ukudayisa iqeda uzosifaka phi and i-target market yakhe yipi izoba imali qhama kane business idea ukuthi okay nayi i-proposal ngicela unginikeza u100 ngifuna ukuthenga imixer yeyilokhuzana ukuze ngikwazi ukwenza iqeda simple awukwazi ukuvela uthwala uma uthi hayi abasinaki banikeze uthothi bazinikeza wena itender yayiqeda mina kodwa ngifike ngikhuluma nomlomo wena ufike nezingcukaca zakho so we need to learn and see ukuthi abantu benza kanjani abanye awukwazi ukuthi office inthizeni ufike nje uthi hey
ufika ngezandla nje wena ufuna ukuthi babone wena ebusweni tete bakunike
ukutshela ngomlomo ayikho into ebhaliwe into so you need to we strategize qala into yakho bese uthi mangabe lento ngiyisa kumuntu uzoyithi wena makuthiwa iza kuwena lento ubungayithatha yini simple
and iziningi vele even kwathina yabo umuntu esaqala in business I used to think ukuthi mawufika upitcha kumuntu ukuthi imela kunike ama funding kodwa manje kwi position nathi umuntu asekuyona uyabona I can't just find anyone awukwazi ukuthi ngoba umuntu nje ufika ne-energy ukuthi i-business bazozomnika imali hayi imali yasanganisa futhi yabo umuntu ozofika engaphethe phephe engaphethe lutho ama chances ukuthi uma kuthiwa njengamanje uthola 300,000 ukuthi uzowudla wonke aphezulu kakhulu yabo because uzogcina sefocus kwezinye izinto akukhohlwa kayi lento abethu ufuna ukuyenza and then it's a loss ke lapho ke for everyone because vele umuntu mayiseyidlile sefandiwe lo ngapha naye akakwazi ukuthi amkhombe ukuthi nanga umuntu amsizile kugcina sekuyinkinga because we need to take responsibility if sifuna ukuyimove South Africa yabo
I like that
so manje iTheku ke since vele nawe ngani also do even nano artist management uma ubheka iTheku singalikhulisa kanjani in the showbiz space yabo ukuthi sicompete no Jozi because I still feel like kusakhona leyo barrier yokuthi yabo mangathiwa manje njengoba umsakazi wena you were doing what you doing in Joburg ama chances ukuthi you be very far kunala ukhona njengamanje maningi yabo just because of indlela abayibuilde ngayo industry thina singakwenza kanjani la eThekwini.
Well firstly if we are bigger especially with showbiz TV and stuff remember I think ngifika la eThekwini engekho into ekuthiwa i-TV like nje production but now usubona bomkhokha abo Black Door nje kuyenzakala uzama and stuff so kancane kancane angisho kancane siyavela but kancane kancane yabo kuyenzakala yabo so I think we need to hang in there and also with the industry that I'm at I feel like indaba yokuqasha ama celebrate is not on for me I think there is so many raw talent out there umuntu okwazi ukuthi well shy radio but because agenzi next akaza vele TV akazenzele kunzima then when you go Joburg they will like ngene my king usakazi and then you look at and also kade ngibhali status not so long ago ukuthi umuntu umvulela ithuba it's not like izo affect her your salary and everything so I think la eThekwini into futhi sekusenza ukuthi sishoda nge-infrastructure ngenqalasi izinda zaku entertainment in a way ukuthi inja nenja idla ithambo layo akekho umuntu osifuna ukushare like dude ufuna ngikinikezeni because nami lokho enginakho nami why ufuna ngikufaka i-podcast yami ekubeni nami this is my baby because now lesisenze saba nomona in a way ukuthi asisakwazi ukuvulela abanye abantu because vele sithe vele eThekwini sazi ukuthi akulula. For example, umuntu afuna i-interview simple uzoba nemdada eminingi kanti umuntu uyabe mthetho okay ingoma yakho ayisi radio edit enze 1 2 3 ifika simple ufuna interview ye radio ukuzipromote done yezwe ngisho. So ngiyabona I understand where we come from. Sesilambe kakhulu neway ukuthi this is mine if anakho of which I think ukuhamba kwesikhathi as we move with time njengoba iTV nje I think ama actors ala iKZN they are so excited at least ama productions akho nathi we radio space ama entertainment ama artist we gradually we getting there uzothola na usobukwa go facts but now phela bana busy on socials sidayise uma uya performer do ama video ingoma yakho ku easy ukufaka ingoma ku TikTok siyenza ama challenge done.
Ayi ngoba phela italent lona ngeke ukuthi iyona into eshodayo la. Yabo nje industry ngeke sithi ayakhiwa ngokuthi we lacking talent. Yabona in KZN talent eliyamangaza mfethu ukona wonke futhi music yona sonke space esine creativity uma uthi uyafika abantu even na content ku TikTok mina iyathusa enye content yabo uthi moyibona le content lo muntu uqhamuka kanjani with this content yabo and abelungu they are scouting it le content yabo lokho they gonna turn it to shows abazophinda bayidlalele thina kodwa thina we can't do it on ourselves because mina yona into engifunayo even nanayo podcast lena kufuneka ibe khona mfethu baphela 50 years ikhona yabo babe khona abantu esithi ngampela sibakhombayo ukuthi ubani nangu waphakama yabo waphakama because manje lento iyaslimaza even as a city ukuthi sithi sine talent elingaka kodwa kufuneka uzuye egoli
of which lento le egoli uyakubani because bakhona nabakhona so when build yourself here kuze bathi mabe scout khona bathi next goal bakuthole la because my goal khona wakhona ohlala eBram ohlala eSoweto and then usuke KZN special ngani who are you see build yourself here like I remember bengibuka isibongi idlamini sibongile Dlamini's edlala ku Mzansi Magic a lot of ama actors there busy on TikTok because they do TikTok bathola amadigi although bethola those scenes amancane avele then uyambona the next episode akasekho or vele ama episode awu2 but kona kolokho ukuthi uvelile because of TikTok it make so I think into ebalekile ayikho enye indlela guys awukho iformula bana busy on socials that you will never go wrong
plus ama socials right into kwazi ukuyenza usendlini
that's TV mina ngisayibuka iTV o 7 la no generations ngisayibuka because now
sebebuka amandiya phela manje inosizo zonke
namandiya angaze ngabona
awuna yami ay hayi ngwabona mina ngoDecember lathi ucinwa ngayo kusukela ekuseni ize ndoshoni la and manje angazi lapha ukuthi ukunawo labantu bahlezi bene strategy yabo bathathe lama shows zabo kahlahla amandiya bawathatha kwazoba khona abantu aba-interpreter lento abayishow ngesizulu yabo manje
that's creative that's nice
yabo and abantu manje buthaphuthaphu yabo abantu basekubukwa wona manje that's right yabo into and futhi it's not even something new it's something endala vele khona ukuthi abantu bebengayizwa cause bikhulunywa ngenye language yabo izona zinto ekumele vele nathi sis adjust lezo yabo cause manje uyabona ukuthi bayaseva laba abanye abantu yabo
sure
kodwa thina asikwazi ukuthi siseve abantu senze imali yonke thina into that we do mina ngabona sengibona ngisho ama scam ukuthi ibhanoyi leli ko WhatsApp sebelenzela official manje udlala uaviator manje yabo umuntu ibhanoyi same bhanoyi kahle leli vele libaleka nemali zabantu ku WhatsApp
seli official
yabo thina asikakwazi ukuthi izinto zethu sizenze si-commercialize yabo and angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe in that space obani singathi bavalile noma bavalanga lapho because ikhona into eyenzakalayo in that space because yonke into that we do siyibona isi-official and uma isi-official isiyasilimaza thina sa-benefit yabo thina asikakwazi ukuyi-commercializela into zethu yabo umaskandi abantu engingathi mhlawumbe sebezamile ukuthi bona ba-commercialize because umaskandi uyawubona ukuthi ukuphi la ukhona kodwa and wona uyaperforma wona yabo uma uzobheka ngisho umuntu eyi-artist ngeke uthole ikasi rapper performer la e-workshop kodwa amakasi rappers they wanna make it ngeke uthole abantu abaculo afro-popular beperforma la yike ngamaskando ifica yonke indawo and yamobilize yonke le ndawo uthi umuntu masumbone nefollowing engaka sekuthiwa hawu bathwele le kinga ngamaskando
mina wish ngabe ngangiyi-artist go to workshop angithi workshop vele imali yamahara thatha social media ube namafoni awu2 wena Instagram wena ku TikTok be live ngishaya ingoma zami ngisuke lapho ngihambe ngekhaya Mawucabanga uzongithola ibooking lapho.
Leke ngamaskandi phela yenze njalo.
Simple.
Yabo nje even izolo lapha ade ngibona umchashazwa nje bedlala. Leke ngamaskandi umfica ngisho bahubhe sedlala ku TV edlala yonke indawo. Uyamfica usayidlalele workshop. And lapha they also making extra money because mayihamba lapha mhlawumbe uzohamba abantu bamdonateile mhlawumbe 2000. Yabo ukuthi kwayena uqinile ephaketheni yonke into iyenzeka. Yabo. And abantu mawuzingenela kubona ngeke vele abantu bakubhayizisa uzingenela kubona because abanye bakufollowisha same time bekubuka kanje. Yabo and lapha awunqena ukudlula abantu aba 50,000 wenza into yakho. Yabo that's a lot of following.
Sanika the stage samahala and we're not using it live workshop.
And abantu abasebenzisa abanye abasekho yabo. So manje ke mhlawumbe abantu abafuna ukukulandela bangakuthola kuphi ke nje nendawo mhlawumbe sibanika ama socials yabo.
Okay. First thing first, please vote for me as the best radio presenter kuMzansi Community Awards. This is what you do. You SMS Mzansi 007, that's my code, like my unique code. Uzovotela mina lapho. Cool number, I'm gonna give it to you right now. Sorry, just give me a sec. The number is okay. It's Mzansi 007. SMS kule number 45633. 45633. SMS is a R1.50 Japan. Unfortunately, people they have been voting, and I'm so grateful. And it's gonna be my first time in Yoruba because in Guyana. So it's gonna be. I'm not sure speech, but because in Veda ngaza Gila. And also, I'm on socials, on Facebook, DJ Worldwide Gunene, and then also in a page with Umsakazi wezikhathi on Facebook, and then go Instagram with @DJ Worldwide _ Lord dash lapha @DJ Worldwide _ Let's also get on. So
TikTok, X.
On X and TikTok, @DJ Worldwide 4. Go to X, TikTok @DJ Worldwide 4. On TikTok, I have a very good content there.
I feel abantu they must make sure they follow these things because kubalekile yabo icontent yamahala lena it's going to make your day because uTikTok uyakwenza lokho yabo sometimes ungena ku TikTok ubuke just one video uhleke mfethu then you have a good day
you have a good day you fine. And also I hear about they making money angazi ngibe nalo ndladla leyo but lena ngisho ukuthi abantu they should be friends with social media because
vele manje ayisekho phela engakhokhi yabo ayisekho engakhokhi social media uma ukuthi ngempela nje into zakho wenza sure ukuthi uyayilandela yonke into because ngisho ku Facebook yabo there are people I know who are making a lot of money ku Facebook yabo singakubali nje nawo YouTube yabo because yonke lento I digital real estate yabo mina khona I conversation engayizwa was it 2019 I think it was 2019 they were talking about digital real estate yabona making money ngevideo yodwa kuona wonke ama social media platforms yabo and uma ukuthi leyo nto forever uyabona ukuthi shoot wena manje uma wenza ivideo ku TikTok it's important ukuthi uyithathe ku TikTok we fake Facebook we fake Instagram we fake X yabo ukuze ikhokhele yonke indawo just one video yabo
wow.
Just one video and by busy digital real estate kusho nje try digital real estate because manje bathi collect rent njani uma ikhokhela every month you are collecting rent
you collecting wonke lama socials
and as you grow wena kwayona vele it pays more yabo as you grow
I like that
yenza into kubelula yabo for ama artists nje abantu who are in a creative space they must take advantage of lezi into because akusalanjwa ku showbiz yabo kwakulanjwa before hayi manje hayi usulamba ngoba you don't understand ukuthi
kwenzakalani umuntu ethi lezi zinto lezi zenu amasosho njalo kusekude phambili
ayikude ngoba phela kufuneka ukuthi uzazi kapha yabo manje isikhathi sama wishes asekho yabo manje kufuneka ukuthi sibe nayo blueprint ukuthi okay ngifuna lokho njengoba ukufuna kuzokuthola kanjani yabo awukwazi ukuthi uyafuna kuphela kufuneka ne blueprint ukuthi how you gonna get there ibe khona ukuze ngempela kuhlangana
true
I thank you so much yabo thank you so much for coming through kube isibusiso kakhulu yabo ukuthi sibe nale conversation
very nice conversation
yabo ayifani kwamina and hopefully even nabantu vele they gonna have fun yabo so manje sesihamba ke manje kunomuntu mhlambe lapha emakhaya ongazi ukuthi mhlambe kumele aqale phi yabo ukuthi naye akwazi ukuthi nje amove to le space mhlambe angakwazi ukumove kusona yipi advice mhlambe ongamnika yona nje ukuthi naye kube khona into enyakazayo phela yabo
I have one word. I'm sorry, angiyazi abantu abaningi babeniyoza le platform ayakhuluma yazakhihliza amagama njengomfundisi. I have one word and ima ngabe lingakushaya ngaleli gama. Hey, go on to you. Bana nenkani. Are you a radio presenter? Are you the DJ? You have a podcast? Nkani.
Bangene ngaye.
Phoko phela bra. Kunoma yabo kuyabona upost video on TikTok now. Thola ama likes inyana. We have one content, but now today we want to talk about this cup. Yabona say le cup ngathi abantu abayizwa ngahle bengithi ngayo. Tomorrow post oku baqina. Bana nenkani.
Ubaqine baze basho bathe kodwa wazwasicina.
Record ingoma uyihambisa ku Vibe FM ku Khosi ayenza ngahle angena ngisho na kubani top 20 phinda futhi e-studio wenze enye bana nenkani. Don't give up.
Plus vele experience eqhamuka lapha.
Nanokuthi ke futhi abanye abantu I think abanye abantu they have choices. Mina unfortunately this is me. I'm the showbiz. I'm radio. If not radio, I'm out there working with an artist, ITJ. So I don't have a background, somewhere to fall back on. So this is my baby. I need to fight this battle till I win it. Unfortunately. So I'm mhlawumbe easy for you mangabe unama options. Okay, yeah, at least akaba rich or at least net degree or whatever you have. But now if this is what you really want, if you think as an artist or uyadweba or uyenzani, this is what you do, and then uyazi moyizo into ngaphakathi ukuthi it's how excited I am abe ngivula imic ngikhuluma nabalaleli. So this is me. Awucaba sengihamba ngiyoba uthisha ukuthi how depressed I'm going to be. Mangithiwa ngihamba ngiyoba umleli, I'm going to be depressed. Angahlezi nginishouta every day man ngifika ngizofuna ukusizwa ngama case with. So this is what I want. This is me. Anginenkani nje angihlela. Njengoba ngingathatha 20 years as long as ngisaphila, I'm going to be this DJ.
Uyabona abantu aba pick up abawashiya eceleni vele. Nama I feel like engathi ama pick up uyisele move sometimes. Yabona into kuba nama pick up amaningi ikwenza ungabi
nankani entweni leyo sokuyenza. Bana nenkani.
Ngoba vele phela ngeke into uma uyifuna ingenzeki. Kulo mhlaba esiphila kuona yonke into uma uyifuna ngempela and uyifuna lokho kwangempela ngeke ungayitholi. Ngeke ungayitholi uzoyithola.
Ngeke ungayithola.
Lokho it's proof. Baningi futhi abantu asebekupruvile lokho ukuthi it's possible.
Uze umuntu ubona ukuthi usuka from nowhere but use somewhere because enkandla ethi mina mfethu bese khomisa ama video akudala ukuthi uqalela like I have a guy from enkandla owayefunda evela ngayo naye uya manje on TV uthi ngizangize ngihambe ngiyofunda nanokufunda but I was busy on social media ngenza ama monologues. Hayi manje direct high.
Siyakhula phela neskill yawazi kathi lokhu uforce kuze kusho ukuthi awubani usiyaforce usenza ukuthi manje yawazi kathi uforce ila sikhula khona ke neskill yabo suke sikhula ngempela. I thank you so much yabo.
No problem.
Thank you so much nje nawe nje mina upopile ke already yabo. Yeah sekunje phela I collect imali yabo because vele ukupopa it's a state of mind kahle kuyona yonke into nje akekho umuntu ophumelela umqondo ungaphumelele iqala imali iba ama result of ukuthi lo mjidi usephumelele manje yabo manje let's collect the money yabona let's do what we doing sibe busy nje yonke indawo siyikhulise le value yabona lesinayo until sisifike nathi to that level uyobona ukuthi okay amane ngiphumelele as much as ngisakufuna lokho kodwa I'm at a point la ebengingakazi ngibe khona before yabo. I know nakunina ababukeli nje thank you so much for ukuhlala kuze kube manje. Ngiyacela ke subscribe mawukuthi ubungaka subscribe ushare umsebenzi and follow DJ Worldwide kona wonke ama social media platforms lawa awabalile nasemsakazweni nje nimlalele yabo kube mnandi nje sikhuleni yabona sikhuleni lumkile izinyanga signing out. Thank you.